All right, we're gonna do a quick review of the lift top coffee table. This is a great coffee table that if you're in a very compact space, will allow you to not only have a really, really nice coffee table, but you can also lift it up and you have kind of a desk setting right here where you can put a mouse and keyboard and have a monitor, something like that. But you can also fold this over and then you have now a table. So you can play cards, eat dinner, things like that with a group of people. All these joints seem to be very well made. It's very easy to put together. You just have to follow the instructions. And this folds down, as you can see, very quickly back to coffee table. Over on this side, you have two drawers right here. Really, really good rolling right there. Everything feels very quality. And one more thing I want to point out here is you do have some hidden storage, which is always nice, just right here on the sides, so you can put stuff in there. Overall, I would highly recommend this lift top coffee table. It works great, and it's perfect for compact spaces.